all of the salsa unit basic steps into a salsa pattern, if you will. Okay, so I wrote it out on the screen already so that you could know what the sequential order is. That just means 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So in order, sequential order. And repeat means, oh, we do it again and again and again. Do you know why that's important? Because pretty soon you won't even need to think about it. It will be muscle memory. That is correct. At some point in time, you will be able to dance to a salsa song correctly, on beat, with rhythm, without even thinking about it. Mind blown. Hopefully that's today. If not, you just watch this video that I'm making for you today over and over and over again, okay? Because these are the fundamentals. And when I was younger, my dad had me watch a video with Larry Bird's coach. He was a basketball player, and he said the fundamentals are the fundamentals. They never change, okay? So you can never learn the fundamentals too many times. I have been dancing, I'm not even going to tell you how long because it might be longer than some of you have been born, but I always go back to my basics because without a foundation, I have nowhere to stand and grow and progress as a dancer. Okay? So, here we go. This is review. Alright? I wonder if I should churn to show you these. Alright, let me just review it in my head. We have 2 basics, 1 right hand turn, 2 wah-wah-goes, 1 basic left hand turn, and repeat. Alright, so again, we're on the leaders count. So we're starting with our left foot. So we're going to do it without music and then with music. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. 5, 6, basic step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and a right hand turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, straight into wah-wah-goes. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, basic. 1, 2, 3, and a left hand turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 2 basics. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and a right hand turn. 1, 2, 3, wah-wah-go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and a basic step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, left hand turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. If you hear me stomping so loud, that's what you call marking your basic or marking the count, marking the step. Okay, that's me hammering it in my head that every time I step, I'm changing my weight and I'm switching my feet. Okay, so it helps. Again, if you don't develop any bad habits, I'll have nothing to correct when I meet you in person. All right, and it'll make you a better social dancer and dancer just in general. So I'm gonna do it facing you now. 5, 6, basic step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and a right hand turn. 1, 2, 3, wah-wah-go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and a basic step. 1, 2, 3, left hand turn. 1, 2, 3, and a 5, 6, 7. Ready to do it with music? No? Okay, one more time counting. I will hit all the walls. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and a right hand turn. 1, 2, 3, wah-wah-go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and a basic step. 1, 2, 3, and a left hand turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Wall. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and a right hand turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Wah-wah-go. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and a basic step. 1, 2, 3. You can tell I don't get out much, right? Left hand turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Back wall. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and a right hand turn. 1, 2, 3, while 1, go. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and a basic step. 1, 2, 3, and a left hand turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Last wall. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and a right hand turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. While 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and a basic step. 1, 2, 3, and a left hand turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Woo! All right. If that was difficult, I would recommend doing it over and over and over again without music, paying attention to your feet. If you want to record yourself to play back, that's the best reflective, like a assessment, self-assessment, to see if you're doing the moves correctly. Otherwise, without further ado, we shall be doing it with music. Left hand step. Woo! How'd you do? I hope you did well. That is the end of the salsa unit. I will throw in a special treat to give you some shine steps for salsa, okay? So that will be separate from the basics. But if you learn all of these, the only thing that you add to it is a crossbody lead, and you now have all the basic steps for salsa and can dance anywhere you want, all right? Have a wonderful day. It was my pleasure being your maestra.